from these we can measure anything. These two are magnets. These two are magnets, and this is a system. First, it measures axogram. It measures.
Sorry, what is the weight?
Axogram.
Okay, fine. 100 grams.
100 grams. Then one magnet measures axogram.
100 grams.
100 grams. Then second magnet measures 100 grams. If we measure these triple things at a time, then we see that
It should be 300 grams.
300 grams. With 300 grams. 300 grams?
Yes.
But if the magnet is such a way that there we see that the weight is something
Less than.
because this by the Newton's third law, action and reaction are equal and opposite. Equal and opposite.
Create an opposite force.
Well, because this magnet gives a equal and opposite force to this magnet, first magnet. So the first magnet be a weightless magnet. So the weightless magnet, and for this the measure is something lost.
Excellent. Thank you. Well done.